the Golden State Killer. For decades, his identity remained a chilling mystery, a phantom leaving terror in his wake. Then in 2018, DNA cracked the case, not by matching him directly, but by revealing his distant relatives. This was the moment forensic genetic genealogy burst into public consciousness, forever changing criminal investigations. What lies beyond traditional DNA analysis? How will our genetic future reshape justice? Welcome back, fellow truth seekers. We've journeyed from crime scenes to ancient digs, through lab techniques and DNA interpretation. In this episode, we explore the most revolutionary development in modern forensics, forensic genetic genealogy, and then peer into the exciting, sometimes challenging future of DNA evidence specifically within the forensic realm. For years, if crime scene DNA didn't match a profile in law enforcement databases like CODIS, cases went cold. Then, Forensic Genetic Genealogy, or FGG, emerged, leveraging public DNA databases used for ancestry research. Unlike traditional forensics using STRs for direct identification, FGG identifies relatives of an unknown perpetrator or unidentified remains. It utilizes single nucleotide polymorphisms, or SNPs. A SNP, pronounced SNP, is a single nucleotide polymorphism, representing a difference in a single DNA building block at a specific position. By analyzing hundreds of thousands of these tiny variations, FGG builds a much richer genetic picture for identifying distant family connections, which STRs alone cannot reveal. Here's how it works. Crime scene DNA from cold cases is analyzed for SNPs. This data is then uploaded to specific public genealogy databases like GEDmatch or Family Tree DNA, which permit law enforcement searches. The database identifies individuals who share DNA, indicating a familial relationship, perhaps even third or fourth cousins. Then comes the detective work. Forensic genealogists, often partnering with law enforcement, meticulously build family trees using public records. They trace ancestral lines to pinpoint potential suspects who fit the crime's profile. Once a prime suspect is identified, a direct DNA sample is discreetly obtained, and traditional forensic testing confirms the match. The Golden State Killer case in 2018 is FGG's most famous success. DNA uploaded to GEDmatch led investigators through distant relatives to Joseph DeAngelo, finally solving decades of terror. FGG also identified victims and a killer in the Bear Brook murders and solved the 65-year-old boy-in-the-box case. It's a game changer for justice. While incredibly effective, FGG raises significant ethical questions. Informed consent. A central concern is whether individuals who uploaded their DNA to these databases for personal ancestry research truly understood that their genetic information could be used to identify criminals or that their innocent relatives might be implicated. Many databases have since updated their terms of service, requiring explicit opt-in for law enforcement searches. Privacy for relatives. An individual's choice to upload their DNA impacts their entire family's genetic privacy, even if those relatives never consented. Scope creep. Concerns exist about FGG being used for less serious crimes, expanding its reach over public genetic data. Racial and ancestral bias. Historically, these databases have been more populated by individuals of European descent, which can affect the types of cases solvable. Data security. The sensitive nature of genetic data always carries risks of breaches. The debate is about balancing public safety with individual privacy in our increasingly genetically interconnected world. Beyond FGG, the pace of innovation in DNA technology continues to accelerate, promising even more profound impacts specifically on forensic science. New frontiers include single-molecule sequencing. Technologies like Oxford Nanopore's MinION can sequence individual DNA molecules directly, yielding longer reads from tiny degraded samples. This is revolutionary for highly challenging evidence and even enables portable in-field DNA analysis by bringing the lab directly to the crime scene. DNA phenotyping. This involves predicting physical characteristics like eye color, hair color, skin tone, or even facial features in biogeographical ancestry directly from DNA. While controversial, it provides valuable investigative leads when no direct DNA match is found. Epigenetics, the study of DNA modifications that can reveal a suspect's age or even the specific tissue type, e.g., skin versus blood, a DNA sample came from, offering more context about crime scene evidence. AI and machine learning. These technologies are increasingly used to analyze massive DNA datasets, improve the accuracy of profile interpretation, especially for complex mixtures, automate tasks, and detect contamination, making forensic labs more efficient and precise. Environmental DNA, eDNA in forensics, analyzing trace human DNA directly from environmental samples like soil, water, or even air to link a suspect to a crime scene or location. From traditional profiling to the revolutionary power of forensic genetic genealogy, DNA has proven to be the ultimate silent witness in our pursuit of justice. It's a testament to human ingenuity that we can coax such profound narratives from microscopic molecules. As we move forward, the power of DNA will only continue to grow, promising to unlock more mysteries and shape the future of criminal investigations. The journey of forensic DNA is far from over, it's just beginning. Make sure to subscribe to The Geneticist, like this video, and ring that bell to catch all our deep dives into forensic genetics. See you soon!